Hello everyone, today I'm going to show in this video tutorial how I got unlimited coins and stars on Royal Match, and I'm going to demonstrate to you step by step in this tutorial how you can get it, also view the mod. And the method I pointed out, guys, it works in all kind of devices, iOS and Android devices, so just make sure you watch this video until the end and make sure you follow the mentioned steps I'm going to show in this tutorial. You'll be able to get the mod also you. So I'm just going to open the game so you can see that everything works and runs perfectly, and you will see that I have so much coins. And I'm going to demonstrate to you step by step, guys, how you can get it the mod and be able to get unlimited resources. I got it. Okay, so let's go and not lose more time. So guys, before you start the loading process of the mod, you need to make a checking, which it means they need to go to settings and then you need to scroll it down until to the battery and make sure that you are not in the lower power mode. So this yellow sign on the top should be switched off. This will help with the loading process of the mod to be faster and smoother. Okay, the next step, you need to go back to the home menu and then you need to go to Safari or any kind of browser that you use. You need to search for a website. I'm typing for you guys. This is the name of the website. I'm going to write also in the video, so you don't get confused. You just need to enter inside of the website, guys, and you're going to face a bunch of other applications, a lot of Twitter modded apps and games. So later you can check and scroll it by yourself. If you don't want to get any one of these apps and games or tweet games, you can check it and you can get it without needing to pay nothing. I'm just going to go on the top to search in the searching bar about our mod. Here it comes, Royal Match mod, get unlimited coins and stars, works on iOS and Android. So you just need to press in the middle, guys, and then you need to press this green sign, download now, and just wait a couple of seconds. The loading process of the mod processes from the website to your game. So as you can see, the steps are not so difficult, quite simple and easy. Just make sure you watch the video until the